Archaebacteria have the ability to survive in the anaerobic environments, and this includes different groups of organisms like methanogens, halophils, and thermoacidophils. So likewise, different based on their nature, they have been called as methanogens, halophils, and the thermoacidophils. So let us start with the methanogens. So methanogens are the one archaebacteria which are mostly useful in the formation of biogas. Or gobar gas production. They perform anaerobic respiration, anaerobic process of respiration, and in that process they will release the methane, which is useful in the preparation of the gobar gas. So the examples for methanogens are methanococcus and methanobacillus. So coccus are the spherical shaped one, whereas the bacillus are the rod shaped bacteria. And halophils are the one which have the ability to survive in the saline or salty area. So how can they survive in such harsh habitat? Means because of special lipids in their cell wall. Examples for this one is halobacillus and halococcus. Then thermoacidophils. So they have the special character that they can survive in the acidic conditions and also in the high temperatures. High temperatures up to 80 degrees centigrade also. So how can they are adapted to survive in the acidic condition where the low pH is present and high temperature up to 80 degrees centigrade? Means because of the special side chain lipids which are present in their cell wall, that is responsible for the adaptability of these thermoacidophils. So apart from this character, they have the enzymes which are active at low pH also. And the third point is they have some enzymes which are active at high temperature. So that is the reason why, because of these three reasons, they are able to survive in such type of thermoacidophilic conditions. So this is a way how these different types of archaebacteria are exhibiting different types of characteristic features. When it comes to methanogens, so actually these are present in the ruminant animals like cattle, that is a buffalo and cow, which is helping in the formation of the methane gas or the gobar gas. So these are the characteristic features which are related to the archaebacteria.